Children, this is because of network issue. Okay, so shall we continue? Children, can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our laws of exponents, first one is Advait. What is the first one? A raised to first laws of exponents, first one
A raised to m into a
a
raised
raised to n equal to a raised to
M minus N.
m plus n, m plus n, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Second one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n
is equal to a raised to m
m
minus 1.
minus 1. Then a raised to m, the whole raised to n equal to a raised to
M into n.
m into n, a raised to mn. Then what next?
A raised to m
A raised to m
m
into b raised to n is equal to b raised to a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab raised to
m
ab raised to m. Then
A
1 by
raised to 0.
a raised to
A
m
raised to
equal to a raised to
negative
Minus
minus
m.
m. Sixth one, a raised to 0 equal to
1.
1.
a raised to 0 equal to 1. Okay, all of you write these equations once.
And
Ah,
then
more.
let A by B 4 raised to N equals A
One
raised
more
to
is
N
yes,
0.
yes. A by b, the whole raised to n equal to a raised to n divided by b raised to n. Okay, yes, all of you write these ones. This fifth one is very important, very important. A raised to 1 by a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. If any exponent is coming in the denominator as negative exponent, we can take that into the numerator by changing its sign. All are important, and that fifth one very oftenly we will use. Over, children. Okay, so let us start with problems. First question. Today onwards, I will send a series of questions daily through WhatsApp. You have to ready with those answers. Okay. Whenever I ask to submit, you must do that. First question. First one. Find the multiplicative inverse of. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to negative 5, 3 raised to negative 4, 3 raised to negative 4, and 10 raised to negative 1000. To get the multiplicative inverse, what we need to do is just change the sign of the exponent. Only that, very easy. So its answer is, first one's answer is
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5, 3 raised to 4, and 10 raised to 1000 are the multiplicative inverses. Very simple question. Then next onwards, simplify. 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 1 by 2 the whole raised to negative 5. Third one, 3 raised to negative 7 divided by 3 raised to negative 10. 3 raised to negative 7 divided by 3 raised to negative 10 into 3 raised to negative 5. 3 raised to negative 5. Fourth question. Fourth one. Fourth one is p raised to 3. P raised to 3 into p raised to negative 10. Fifth one. 1 by 2 whole raised to negative 2 into 1 by 3, not into, plus 1 by 3 the whole raised to negative 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole raised to negative 2. Try these questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the fifth question, is it multiplication or addition?
Addition. Five by 8 raised to negative 7 into 8 by 5 raised to negative 4. Yes.
Can you show the third question?
One second.
Can you show the first question?
First one. Your class test is at 6 o'clock. I will send the question paper through WhatsApp and send your answer sheets to my email ID. Okay. Email ID also I will post that time. 6 to 7. 6 o'clock I will post the question paper. Before 7 o'clock you have to submit back. Over. After completing, we will discuss one more question. Eighth one. 3 raised to negative 5 into 10 raised to negative 5 into 125 divided by 5 raised to negative 7 into 6 raised to negative 5. What was the answer for the second one, Sridev?
1 raised to negative 5 divided by 2 raised to negative 5.
And what next? Only that? 1 by 2 raised to negative 5 can be written as 1 raised to negative 5 by 2 raised to negative 5. Any more simplification? I mean, what was its answer? I mean, Adikesh? What is its answer? Second one.
32.
32. Sridev, we can 1 raised to negative 5 is 1 raised to negative 5 is 1. Sridev, 1 raised to negative 5. 1 raised to any power is 1. 1 raised to any power is 1. 1 by 2 raised to negative 5. 2 raised to negative 5 we can write into 2 raised to 5. Okay, Sridev?
Okay, ma'am.
And 2 raised to 5 is 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 32. So answer is 32. 2 raised to negative 5 equal to 2 raised to 5. 1 by 2 raised to negative 5 equal to 2 raised to 5. So it is equal to 32. So up to this you must do. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the third answer. Lynette, third one. What is the answer for third one?
Ma'am, 3 raised to negative 7 by 3 raised to negative 10 we can write as 3 raised to negative 7 minus negative 10. That means negative 7 plus 10. That's equal to 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to negative 5. So it is equal to 3 raised to 3 plus negative 5. It is equal to 3 raised to negative 2.
Good.
It is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 2.
1 by 3 raised to 2 is 1 by
1 by 9.
9. 1 by 9. Very good. Anybody wants explanation? I will do that. All of you understood that? If you want,
Can you say the answer again?
only the answer. Answer is 1 by 9. Do you want explanation, Nivedya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, 3 raised to negative 7 divided by 3 raised to negative 10. Isn't it? That is 3 raised to negative 7 by 3 raised to negative 10. No. This we can write 3 raised to negative 7 minus 10 by a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, Nivedya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is equal to 3 raised to negative 7 plus 10. 3 raised to 3. Now 3 raised to 3, what's more? Into 3 raised to
Yes,
negative 5. So it is 3 raised to 3 plus negative 5 equal to 3 raised to negative 2. It is 1 by 3 square. That is 1 by 9. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how can we write the answer as 1 by 3 raised to 2 instead of 1 by 9?
Okay. This is also correct. Better you write 1 by 9. If it is up to 3, power is 5, you can multiply. More than 5, you just write the power itself in the exponent form. Okay. If it is less than 5, you can multiply and write. If it is very large number, no need to write. It is simple. This 3 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5, we can multiply and find out. Okay. If it is very large number and very large exponents, don't do that. Write in the exponent form itself. Okay. Okay. So third one is over. Now, Nandana Sharath, fourth answer. Fourth answer, Nandana Sharath. No? Fourth one.
I'm doing that.
Okay, okay, okay. Tom Jones, fourth answer.
Yes, ma'am. P raised to negative 7.
P raised to negative 7, we can write P raised to negative 7 is 1 by P raised to 7.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Edlio, fifth answer. Nandana
I'm doing.
Sharath, you got? Nandana Sharath, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Edlio, fifth answer.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, 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 do it. Albert, fifth one's answer. Albert. Albert. Suryadev. Suryadev, fifth answer. Pooja.
I'm doing.
Okay. Lakshmi, fifth one. Lakshmi. Amaljit. Amaljit.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the 29.
29. That's correct. 29. All of you got this 29? Anybody need explanation? Adikesh got 29?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, sixth one. I mean, what is the answer for sixth one? Yes?
Ma'am, can you explain fifth one?
Fifth one. See, this is just like our third question. Third question, 1 by 3 raised to what is negative 3, negative 5. 1 by 3 raised to negative 5, we wrote negative 5 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to negative 5, we wrote it as 3 raised to, no, it is 2. 2 raised to 5 and its answer is 32. That third question, just like that third one, 1 by 2 raised to negative 2, we can write 1 raised to negative 2, 2 raised to negative 2. It is 2 raised to 2. Is it clear, this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we can write 1 by 3 raised to negative 2 is 3 square. 1 by 4 raised to negative 2 is equal to 4 square. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 4 plus 9 plus 16. 29. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Try the next one. Sixth one. No. Yes.
Is the answer 250?
Sixth one. Let me check. Sixth one is 8 raised to minus 1. 250. 250, correct. 8 raised to negative 1 into 5 cube into 2 raised to 4 we can write. 2 raised to negative 4, when comes to the numerator, it will be 2 raised to 4. And 8 we can write 2 cube. The whole raised to negative 1. 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4. 8 is 2 cube. So it is 2 raised to negative 3 into 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 3 plus 4 into 5 raised to 3. 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3. Multiply. This is 125. Vaishnavi, understood? Sixth one. Salim, Advait Murali, got it? Sixth one. Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain sixth one?
Okay, I will explain once again. See, 8 we can write 2 cube. Okay? 8 is 2 cube. Clear that? 8 we can
Yes, ma'am.
write 2 cube. So 2 cube raised to minus 1 is 2 raised to negative 3. Okay? This is okay. Then 5
Yes.
cube. Then 1 by 2 raised to negative 4, we can write 2 raised to 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are combining these 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 4. 3 plus 4 on the power. 2 raised to negative 3 plus 4 into 5 cube. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 2 into 5 cube is 2 into 125. 5 cube is 125. So 2 into 125 is 250. Is it clear?
Ma'am, last step, can you explain?
Last step. Sure, sure. Who's this asking?
Amaljit.
Amarjit. Okay, Amarjit. Amarjit. Okay, once again I will explain. No problem. Amarjit, 2 raised to negative 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 5 cube into 2 raised to 4. This step is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, we are combining these two terms. 2 raised to negative 3 plus 4 into 5 raised to 3. Okay? 5 raised to 3. 2 raised to negative 3 plus 4 is 2 raised to 1 into 5 cube. Is it clear, Amaljit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 5 cube is 125. 5 into 5 is 125 equal to 250. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. While doing the homework questions, if you have any doubts, you can ask on the next class. Okay. Better you send the voice message at the same time so that I can come prepared for the next class. Okay. Just take a photo of that question and send to my WhatsApp so that I will explain on the during the next class, revision class. And what is seventh answer? Nivedya? Seventh one?
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Huh?
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Okay, okay, do it. Isha? Seventh answer, Isha? Irene, Tamanna? Seventh one's answer?
Ma'am, 8 raised to 3 by 5.
8 raised to 3 by 5. So no power for 5, no exponent for 5.
8 by 5 the whole raised to 3.
8 by 5 the whole raised to 3, yes. See this 5 by 8. 5 by 8 the whole raised to, what was that? Negative 7 into 8 by 5. We can write the reciprocal and change the sign of the exponent. 5 by 8 raised to 4. So this we can write 5 by 8 whole raised to negative 7 plus 4. 5 by 8 raised to negative 3. So this is 8 by 5 raised to 3. That conversion is very, very important. 8 by 3 raised to negative 7 can be written as 3 by 8 raised to 7. Write the reciprocal and change the sign of the exponent. And one more example. 1 by 5 raised to negative 7, we can write 5 raised to 7. Another example, 3 raised to negative 9, we can write 3 raised to 9. When we write the reciprocal, the sign of the exponent will change. It's very important. All of you understood that one? 5 by 8 by 5 raised to 3? Amaljit, understood Amaljit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one more question. Where is that? Eighth question. Anashwara, what is the answer for eighth one?
I'm doing it.
Okay. Here many negative exponents. 3 raised to negative 5 into 10 we can write 2 into 5 raised to negative 5. 125 is 5 cube. Then 5 raised to negative 7 into 6 we can raise 3 into 2 raised to negative 5. Now you can simplify 3 raised to negative 5 into 2 raised to negative 5 into 5 raised to negative 5 into 5 cube divided by 5 raised to negative 7 into 3 raised to negative 5 into 2 raised to negative 5. Now simplification you can do. Okay, children, shall we wind up our class? Next students are waiting.